Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Outlook, so open the app and go straight to your inbox. Once there, click the View tab on the ribbon. This exposes display controls. Next, choose View Settings. This opens the dialog where font size lives. You do this because changing the view affects only the inbox layout, not every message you send. Make sure you are editing the right folder, otherwise you'll change another view. Now click Conditional Formatting or Other Settings, depending on your Outlook version, to continue. Once you're in View Settings, pick Other Settings or Conditional Formatting for fine control. Then click Font. A font dialog appears where you pick typeface, size, weight, and color. Increase the size to your preference, for example, 12 to 14 for readability, and change bold for emphasis. Use conditional formatting if you want different sizes for unread or flagged messages. Make sure to preview because the list updates immediately. If it looks off, pick a smaller increment and reapply. To finish, click OK, then Apply, then OK again so Outlook saves the new view. You'll see the larger font in the message list right away. If not, restart Outlook to force a refresh. If sizes still look wrong, check System Display Scaling or your high contrast theme because Windows or Mac OS scaling can override Outlook. Also confirm you edited the correct folder view. If problems persist, revert to default view and repeat the steps carefully. That usually clears conflicting rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.